I think before my arm gives out, I'm gonna do this little section under this door where that piece of chrome comes down and water tends to run down and makes a streak. I'm just gonna see if I can do that little section. And then I'll probably quit or do something else that doesn't use my arm so hard. That's good stuff, bro. Wow. You know, I was gonna take a look at my door locks. Scott the other day was showing some door locks like these. These don't stay up the way the ones he had. They would stay up and you stick your key in, and then when you turn the key, that thing would come down. I noticed this has another one back here. It's hidden right there. It's kind of cool. And you know what? I don't know if those locks work. I haven't even tried them. I got keys in here that don't fit the ignition. I'm willing to bet they probably fit those locks. I believe this one doesn't work the ignition. It'd be interesting if them locks work. It'd be more than interesting. It would be wicked cool. Let's see. Let's try it. It ain't turning. It might could be loosened up. I'll try a different key. Oh, there's one with a round doohickey. I bet that's more likely to work. Let's try that one. Let's try it back here. That one works. How about that? So that one, that's a good sign. That one works. Tailgate. So, I'll get something to put y'all on, and I'll try these other keys in that door knock and see if any of them work. Sometimes they'll work on one door, not on another. I guess y'all can watch them over here, can't you? Sure you can. Well, it doesn't surprise me that they don't work, and it doesn't disappoint me either, because it actually, I'm amazed that one of them did work. That's positive. And the key fits in there. It's not at all unusual for a car that's been sitting that long to need for all the mechanism to be oiled up and everything. So there's a good chance if I pull off the door panels, get inside there and oil everything up and get it working freely, that those locks will work. It'd be good if they work, because I was thinking about going to a car show, and I was thinking, well, I'd like to take that Ford Banjo, but if I wanted to leave it in the car and wander off, you know, I'd feel bad if I didn't have the Banjo locked away, because it's too easy to pick up and walk off with. So at least if the back one works, and I know it does, I could lock the front doors, throw the Banjo in there and lock it, unlock it, and come in through the back and open it up. I can still get in and out of it that way. Alrighty, thanks for watching. So much adventure, so much fun.